Hello fellow YouTubers, foodies and cooking enthusiasts alike. Today we present you with our take on a popular French dish, which is called salade du bœuf, or beef salad. But being that we come from Eastern Europe, where it's made with chicken rather than beef, a more befitting name would be salade du poulet? Or should we call it salade du boulet? I don't know. Let's settle this in the comment section below. By the way, this is called salată de bœuf in Romanian, and it's traditionally cooked around holidays, such as Christmas, New Year's or Easter. Same goes for the biftier, or meat jelly recipe that you can find if you have the patience to browse this channel. So without further ado, let's get to cooking this thing. As you've seen, my lovely wife has already peeled and cut the potatoes and carrots. You do this in order to reduce cooking time. After this, you boil them with a little bit of salt until fully cooked and leave them to cool down so that you can touch them without hurting yourself. Next step is to cut everything into small cubes. Ta-da! You've got the salad components. Stick around, there's a little bit more to it, but not that much. In the meantime, a little bit of history. This salad dates back to the year 1860 and was invented by Belgian cook Lucien Olivier at one of the most prestigious restaurants in Moscow called Hermitage, and was originally named Salade du Gibier. The original recipe was kept a secret and was completely lost in 1905 when Hermitage was closed off for good. All that we know is that it contained expensive ingredients, rare game, crawfish and peas. After 1905, a number of Eastern European chefs reinvented the dish, but replacing the original ingredients with cheaper alternatives, such as chicken or beef. In French, bœuf, meaning beef. These types of salads, under various names, have become a very common food in countries like Russia, Poland, or Romania. The recipe molding itself to regional ingredients. For the next step, you're gonna need mayo. I'll add a link to the how-to video in the description before the recipe itself. But if you simply can't be asked, just store-bought mayo will do. And you'll need about 2 jars of it for the complete dish, together with the decor. As you've seen, my wife added a little bit of mustard to the mix. This adds a little bit of tang. Add the mayo in as well, and season to your liking with salt and pepper. Final step is to plate the dish and decorate it, so let your imagination run wild. I've even seen birthday cakes made out of this stuff, so sky's the limit. In our case, we prepared the dish for Christmas, hence the Christmas tree. All this being said, we hope you enjoyed our little video, and we hope you'll take the time to comment, like, and maybe subscribe, as this is what keeps us going. Bon appetit!